Yeah! We're gonna show you how to do it so you can play too. This is how you make everything you need for your dance party. First, you have to take 2 straws and try to pinch one to try to fit it in the other one that has a full hole. Then you push it in to make sure that it's nice and tight inside. Then you can bend and do the same thing to the other side. I want to use this color to make a bracelet. You can make a pattern, or you can just do the same color. This is how you make a straw crown. First, you're gonna need a long piece of tape. Put it sticky side up. Then you're gonna need some straws. You wanna cut the straws so they're all different heights. I'm using this one and putting it right here. Now I'm doing one that's shorter. I'm gonna make this one go up high, so I don't need to cut it. You wanna line up the bottom of the straw and the bottom of the tape. When you have all your straws down, you put down another piece of tape to hold them in place. And then voila, you have yourself a crown. Once you have all your straw decorations, you can dance. Touch here for more great videos. Come on, come play with us. Or touch here to subscribe.